Eli5 How does burping a baby work? Like what exactly are you doing? Babies ingest a lot of air along with the milk. Gentle pats cause the food to settle down and the air to rise to the top of the stomach, where it can then be expelled as a burp. Formula gets pretty frothy, though, so you often get spit up too. During the feeding process, air gets mixed into the baby's stomach with the milk. If you don't burp, the baby are prone to spit up whatever they were fed. Air rises, so a couple pats on the back gets all the air up and coming out in the burp. It's like shaking a soda. The bubbles all float to the top and eventually coalesce into one big bubble that can be let out the top. It's also like shaking a soda in that if you do it too vigorously, you might get a little liquid or a big fountain too.